Look at her, honey. Look, honey, come here. Later, guys, is our... What later, honey?
It's our last date here in Costa Rica.
Yeah, it's sad to say, guys. It's our last
So,
date
I
here.
think we saved our nicest restaurant for last, though.
Do you think it's the best restaurant there, honey?
They say it's the best restaurant in San Jose.
Okay, so I hope so. It's the best restaurant. But, well, as I have noticed, honey, all the restaurants we went for our date is
Pretty good.
our best. Yeah, it's pretty good. The place, the food, wow, and the crew, they are so nice, guys. So
The people in general here, they call them ticos.
ticos for boy and guy for
Ticas
woman.
for
Ticas.
yeah. So when you're talking about both, you use the male, the masculine form, ticos.
Ticas. Okay.
And so they're all very nice people. Every one of them has been super nice to us.
So here is ticos. In Philippines is Filipino.
Yeah.
Filipino. Human there is tao. Tao. We're going to the zoo. So later, guys, we will get to the. We will have what's that?
Dreamcatcher.
For
Atrapasueños. No, I thought you were talking about what that guy has on the sign.
Sign.
Yeah, he's carrying a sign.
I haven't seen. Just only I saw the one the colorful thing.
It's attached to a sign.
Cardboard. So we're going to the zoo now. Later we have a date, our last date here in Costa Rica. We can make a date for tomorrow also, honey. We will eat Mexican food, you said.
Yeah, I love Mexican food. My wife's never tried it, so...
Yeah, so he's hoping that I will like, because my sister doesn't like, but I told him that maybe my sister doesn't like Mexican food because she's pregnant.
Yeah, pregnant women are sensitive to smells and tastes, so maybe it's because Ataging is pregnant.
So maybe Ataging is pregnant, that's why she doesn't like Mexican food, the smell of Mexican food. Because the time also she get pregnant, she's in Mexico.
Yeah.
So she always craving Filipino food. So that's the reason, honey. For sure, I will love Mexican food.
It's kind of similar to Filipino food, I think. I mean...
Are they usually use the spices?
Yes.
Oh, then I love it. So maybe I think they're similar for Indian food?
No, not that spicy.
Okay. So
But they do
tomorrow-
have a lot of strong flavors, though.
So we can still call tomorrow is our date, honey. Last date. No, it's not yet last.
This is our last really nice date. How about that?
Okay, so now is our last very nice date.
Yeah.
So I forgot, honey, how many times you bring me for our nice date?
Probably 4 or 5. Maybe
Yeah.
4.
But we always eat outside, guys, but we call it date, most beautiful date, because we dress up and then we went to
We go to a nice restaurant.
Yeah, nice restaurant. Well, all we went is nice restaurant, honey.
Yeah, but some are nicer than others.
Okay.
Usually we go on a date on Friday or Saturday. We go to a nice one, and then we only eat out on the weekends. During the week we cook.
Yeah, always cook because Bobby have work, and so we do vlogging while he's cooking or while I'm cooking. And then so tomorrow the things we do tomorrow, yes, we will go fishing, guys. This is my first time. I have a lot of first time here in Costa Rica. First time went to a nice restaurant. First time to go fishing.
So hopefully my wife, being a rookie fisherwoman, she'll bring us some good luck. So tomorrow we're leaving out of Playa Herradura, and we're going fishing for 5 or 6 hours, and we're going to try to catch some rooster fish, which is like a really nice trophy fish here in Costa Rica. We're going to try to catch some tuna, some jacks, wahoos, sailfish, maybe a marlin if we're really lucky. So, honey, show them your garlic and you'll be the one to reel in the fish.
Yes, I get the fish. I have a garlic. Oh my gosh.
So, what they call it is when you have to strap yourself into a chair, and they call it fighting the fish, because you have to reel it in depending on how big it is, sometimes for an hour, 2 hours, and it's very tiring, so you take turns.
Oh my gosh, and then we only have 5 hours of fishing, right?
But at the same time, like they set up several poles, so we may have 4 or 5 fishing poles, and of course the captain and his deckhand, of course they're going to reel in fish too if we're busy reeling in fish. So my wife is kuripot and won't let us throw the fish back in the ocean, so we'll take them and eat them.
So we really hope so. I really hope so. We can catch a lot of fish so that we can share to our friends. Sorry, we already have a friend.
Yeah, there's a couple guards that work at the condo we're staying at.
And they're really good to
Pascual
us.
and Alonso, and they're super nice guys. Yeah, my wife always calls him Alfonso.
Because Alonso in the Philippines, guys, is a family name, right? So I'm not used to it to call him Alonso. I have Alonso also. Alfonso. What's his name?
His name is Alonso.
Oh my gosh, Alonso. Yeah, I have a name also, Alonso in the Philippines. Have a name, can make it a name, can make it a family name. Oh, I'm confused.
Oh my gosh.
So how long our drive now? About 20 minutes.
About 20 minutes. 8 miles for those in the US.
So
or
30 minutes. I think we drove about 25 minutes.
About 30 minutes.
Is it still within that in San Jose or out of San Jose?
Yeah, it's in San Jose. It's in Santa Ana, San Jose. That's it.
So San Jose is huge.
Yeah, it's a pretty big city. It's not like a big city in terms of population. I mean, there's a lot of people here, don't get me wrong, but it's spread out over 20 square kilometers. So it's a wide city. Not as big as Phoenix. Phoenix is 7 million people. It's the 5th biggest city in the U.S. and it's 125 square miles.
Yeah.
So it's like 5 San Jose's.
So my husband is from Phoenix, Arizona, guys. For those who don't know, and for those who are curious, where is my husband came from?
I live in Goodyear, Arizona, on the west side of Phoenix.
Yeah. His place, guys, very nice.
It's our place.
Okay, our place, guys, very nice. Honey, I haven't yet went there.
Well, you haven't been there, but I'm gonna put you on the deed for the house and the bank account and everything. You'll be a homeowner soon.
Okay, honey. So our house, our place.
Our place.
Our place is very nice there, guys. So I can't wait to make a vlog to show it to all of you.
I made a tour for her over video clips.
Yeah, and it's amazing. And I'm so excited to see it in person and make some video clips in it and then share it. Mass, but this one is huge. Usually,
It's made by the Indian tribe here.
oh, Indian.
The guy yesterday was telling me that it's the only tribe that the Spanish conquistadors didn't conquer. So they still live in the rainforest here.
So are they looking for a tour guide?
Yeah. That's how it works, is you pay and then they give you a tour.
Oh, so that's the purpose of payment, to give us a
Yeah.
tour guide.
Yeah. And then on the radio she said that there are two that speak English. So,
I understand it.
yeah. Thank you very much.
Our tour here is 1 hour and half.
Probably. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Gracias.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We have some souvenir here, guys. Look at this one. It's cool.
Super cool.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Good, my name is. Sorry.
It's okay.
My name is Jose, and I will give you the tour.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, thank you.
So, these two.
What's his name?
Jose.
Maybe I ride this one.
Is it okay if we take the mask off outside? Yeah.
Thank you. So what kind of snake is that, honey?
He's gonna tell us.
This is rattlesnake.
Oh, the one, the noisy one?
Yeah. I'm from Arizona. We have rattlesnakes in Arizona too.
You have rattlesnakes.
Yeah, we do.
Do you get to see them?
Yeah,
like,
often. In fact,
often?
one of my boss recently had one in her driveway at her house. Check this out.
So the rattlesnake have different color?
Rattlesnake, well, I know them because of the tail.
Ah, yeah,
'Cause in
because
the tail
so
they
noisy.
have this. Not
Yeah.
only the noise, but if you take a look, it's also different,
Yeah.
right? In shape and in color.
So check this out. On the driveway, there's a rattlesnake here,
Oh my.
and then in the bush.
Wow, in the bush, that's dangerous.
Yeah, very
But
dangerous.
the thing is that they make that noise, right, in a
Right.
defensive way, so they are not really aggressive.
Yeah.
But indeed, they have two types of venom.
So they pass it in the poop.
So
Exactly.
this is the
Wow.
teeth,
Wow, look at the thing on
the
this
rattle.
one.
It's big,
The
it's
big
big
one.
that one.
And
This is small one.
Actually,
Is that
the
a Bushmaster?
They're different.
biggest, the most biggest snake of all Central America, but of the ones that have venom.
Oh, got
right,
it,
because
okay.
boas are bigger than this, but they
Yeah.
are constrictors.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah?
okay, I see. So this
So
is
the-
the Bushmaster, right?
I have no idea if that's the name of it in English.
I think
in
so.
Spanish is Matagüey, and you find it in Central America.
Don't they live in stumps, tree stumps, like under the leaves?
Yes, yes, that's the case.
Yeah, I think in English it's Bushmaster.
So what's the gender of the
Okay.
snake?
Okay, what?
Gender. Is
Ah,
it girl
the
and boy?
gender. No, and it's very hard to tell with snakes which one is
Girl or boy?
yeah.
Wow, this one's cool. It's
So
huge,
this one,
so big.
guys, this you can
Maybe,
see
what, 3
that
meters?
this rattlesnake.
At the
No, it's
full-grown
different.
size?
No,
2
Two?
meters.
Okay.
One is
2
there.
meters.
Wow, huge.
So here,
Here we have the annulated boa.
wow, look at the color, honey.
Wow, there's 3 of them. It looks like
There
Are they
we
two?
have 3. 2 here, but there's one
one
there.
up here.
Oh,
Wow, super cool. Now this is one, even though it's not venomous, you don't want to get bit because they have a bunch of teeth, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm, exactly. Boas are non-venomous.
boa,
There's
anulada.
any boa that you find, they have no venom, as well as the pythons.
Okay.
Oh, this is the
Pythons are
python.
also constrictors.
Wow.
Python.
Is this one the typical color for the carpet python? Are they normally light like this, or are they dark?
They are light. They are a light
Become
yellow.
dark.
But the one that is, you see, there are 2 there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so the one that is below, it is an albina.
Oh, okay, okay.
Ah,
Wow.
so they are different.
They are the same species. Carpet
Python.
python, both.
Look, they get big though. 4 meters.
4 meters.
Wow.
4 meters, pretty big snake. Yeah.
He's looking at you. He wants a snack.
Yeah. So the snakes here, what do you usually feed them? Meat?
Rats.
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 Right.
Wow.
Wow.
How about
Super.
chicken?
Maybe if they're big enough, maybe a live chicken, right?
Right.
Wow.
Rat is not enough for them, so need
Yeah.
big.
I think sometimes they get really big and they feed them pigs.
Yeah.
Or
Pigs.
Yeah.
Or me.
Yeah, maybe you, huh? If you misbehave.
Oh, there, honey. Yellow and green. Bukaraka.
Wow.
Bocaracá. Eyelashes viper.
Eyelash viper. And then that one's native to Costa Rica, right?
This one is from here.
Oh, so cute.
You're right.
Wow.
Here we
And,
go,
well, there's multiple
guys.
colors. Yellow,
So
green.
Yeah, they have yellow and
Oh,
green.
and look at this one. This one looks like a Christmas
Yellow and
tree.
green. Oh, how
green
about
and red?
different also here?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Right.
5. There are 5 here.
Yeah,
There
there's
are
a lot.
8.
Oh, 8?
Wow.
You see,
There are
so
2.
there are 2 there.
Yeah,
right?
and then 2. Have a side also.
You didn't
So
see them.
5, 6. Where are the 2?
Here,
Up over here.
there is another one there. Gray.
Oh yeah. Also there. Cannot see because same color of the.
Wow, super. This is awesome.
So 1, 2.
You like snakes?
I love snakes. She hates snakes.
I hate snakes, and then the first come up is a snake. But it's fine as long as. Oh, this one is Laura venenosa.
This
One,
one's
two,
venomous
three.
too. What kind of snake is this one?
That's the Lora. It's in English, I don't know the name of this
Is it like
one.
a vine?
So are they only color green?
Yes, they are only green. That's why it is called Lora. Like
Oh, okay. I see.
They don't have cobra. They don't have a cobra.
Maybe.
So
I don't
many.
that's the iguana. Boas from Madagascar.
Oh, cool.
Madagascar.
These boas, when they are small, they are in red.
Okay,
Then they
yeah.
lose the red. They
Yeah,
still-
look at him back there.
Change
There's
their.
another
Oh,
here,
yeah.
down there,
And then one in the
another
back
one on the
corner.
It's
back.
a huge
Yeah.
one.
Yeah, he's pretty big.
Yeah.
Wow, super cool.
It's cool for you.
Yeah. You like it too? You're asking the questions, huh?
Yeah, I'm just curious only.
Curiosity.
Yeah. How about here?
Wow, look at this one. He comes all the way.
Oh, I thought it's just the plants.
And this one's not venomous, right?
I really thought it's a plant.
No, that's a snake.
There's the
his tail
snake,
right here,
guys. Yeah, I saw it. Her
Long, but very thin.
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 Yeah, long and thin.
Thinner. Oh, that's one.
Now the Mica
Like
tigre.
cider.
That's scary.
Mica tigre.
The skin is scary.
This one is known for
Binamos to?
No.
it is constrictor. It is known as also you can also call this voladora, serpiente voladora. Voladora is that like fly.
Is this the puffing snake that makes its throat big and then it kills other snakes?
Yeah, it
Yeah.
kills other snakes.
Yeah.
This one kills other snakes. You're right.
I really like the
big.
skin.
Do they have snakes like this in the Philippines?
Now
What's this? Sabanera
Sabanera
asiatica.
asiatica is from Asia.
Oh,
From your continent.
but I don't know.
You don't know it.
I don't know what's in English. I'm not fan of snake. That's why I have no idea about it.
No idea.
Wow.
But it is. It is.
Look at him here.
Yeah.
It. They bring it here because people like it as a pet.
Oh,
So
really?
it is an exotic pet.
Okay,
So you
got
can
it.
make that this one.
Wow, pretty cool though. 2.8 meters.
Cool. Oh, here iguana.
There's nothing there, and there is a false coral.
A false coral. In
Coral.
the U.S., we have real coral snakes. Super dangerous.
What's the difference of false and real coral?
Is the order of the color. I think when the yellow is next to the red, dead. Black next to yellow, okay.
Oh, so this one is a
Yeah.
black, a red.
Yeah. For example, you see this is the false coral, also.
Yeah.
And the yellow is isolated between two blacks, so that means it's false. And also this is false coral, but it's false coral and lives in trees.
Oh,
in
wow.
the top of the trees.
Cool.
So in the case of this one, you can see one could easily say that this is an adult by the black color,
Oh,
because when
okay.
it is young, it's like that.
Same that.
But-
So this one is already adult.
Yeah,
So the
they
kind,
go black
Yeah,
when
this
they are
kind of
adults.
snakes, just small snake only.
Yeah.
It's the same, but just the color changes.
Wow.
The pattern.
Getting older.
So in the U.S., we have the real coral snake, which they're small and they have small mouths, but if it bites you, it'll kill you. And so
Dragon
these in the
barbudo.
U.S., bearded dragon, we have these as pets.
I thought this one iguana. Is a part of iguana too?
No, this is from Australia.
That's from Australia.
So what's we
And
call
they're
it in English? Is-
bearded dragon.
bearded dragon?
And they're super friendly. They're very friendly.
Oh,
usually.
so can make a pet. This
Oh
one.
yeah. My brother had one for many years. Yeah, they're super cool.
Oh, so they eat only vegetables.
No, they eat, we used to feed ours vegetables, crickets, and mice. Little tiny pinky mice.
So here is just vegetable.
Here he eats cockroaches and
Oh,
vegetables.
cockroach. It's good
and
in our.
Let's
have
see
a
what
lot of
else.
cockroach.
But they can eat insects. Yeah, they
Yeah.
eat insects.
They have a long tongue.
And yeah, actually they stick their tongue out, but mostly this one's probably a young adult, I'd say. They get even bigger. He's pretty good size though.
Oh, I have another snake here. Mano de piedra.
Mano de piedra, Stonehenge.
Wow. And so this one's venomous. I've never heard of this one, I don't think.
That one is venomous. It's native of Costa Rica.
Oh wow. So if you're out at night, you may see one in the forest.
It's at night, no,
No?
because it's very dark
Oh, okay.
color,
I
and
see.
it also likes to hide.
I see. Okay.
It likes to.
Is that a lemur?
Ah, see, yeah, it looks
Oh my
like, but it is a monkey.
Oh, monkey.
This is monkey.
That's a monkey.
A baby monkey.
The adult monkeys.
That's a dog.
They're all adult?
Yeah, that's their full size.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, they're so cute. Hi. My family.
Look, they're grooming each other.
Hi. Oh, they're so cute. Are they only
These
two
are
here?
called white brush.
Oh,
White brush because of the hair that they have there in their ears. White brush titi monkeys, and they are from Brazil.
Oh, so can make this a pet?
Well, no, but people like them as a pet.
Yeah,
right? And
so
so,
cute. Look at their face. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh no. So how old they are?
they live 12 years.
Oh,
They
how old
may
are
be
they?
like 5 years old, something like that.
Oh.
So they're adults. Yeah.
Yeah, they are young adults.
So how many they are here? Just three only?
3.
Oh.
Maybe 2 females and a male. Yeah.
So can I identify the gender? No.
No.
Cannot also.
You
It's hard.
can if they are at the back and you see their balls, then you know it's a
Oh,
male.
that's a male.
Yeah. But I haven't.
Ah, it's drinking water there. So what they eat?
They eat fruits and a lot of.
Oh, so it's a food there. I thought it's a
Yeah.
water.
They eat fruit. No, water is here.
Oh, there. Honey, come here.
Huh.
What is that?
I don't know.
What kind of animal is that? Laura Nauka Amarilla.
Yellow nape.
So what is this, honey?
It's a yellow-necked parrot, right?
Ah, it's a parrot.
Nape.
Nate.
Snake. Kind of parrot.
These parrots were pets,
Oh.
all of them, and they know how to speak.
Oh, they speak? Hi! Hi! Sunshine guapa.
Speak because they are eating. They
Ah.
are having lunch.
Hey, can you talk to me, please? Say
Hola.
sunshine guapa.
He speaks Spanish, honey.
Guapa is Spanish.
Yeah.
Sunshine guapa. Hola. Hi. They're just staring at me. Oh, see? Hi. Hola. Oh, I like this. What's it in English?
I don't know.
Cara cara.
In general, or in English, it's cara cara cherry way.
Okay.
It's
Crested,
a kind of bird also.
crested cara cara. It's
Oh,
Scavenger.
it flies high.
Scavenger.
it's a scavenger.
Oh.
So do
like
they eat
like
the
a,
dead animals?
like a vulture.
Like a
It's
vulture.
like a vulture.
Okay. Wow. Wow, this is cool.
Scavenger.
I can't even believe that. That's crazy.
and then the female was found. I don't really know how she got like to the refugee, but what I know of her is that her jaw was crushed into 3 pieces,
Oh my
and
gosh.
she had a surgery.
But now she's okay already.
Now she's okay, but not to go to the wild.
Wow.
She's only okay to live here in a refugee for animals.
Wow.
We got some ocelots.
Wow.
Hi.
I'm gonna get out the other lens, huh?
Hi.
Well, you can smell him pissing.
Hi.
He's marking his territory. That's definitely a male.
How many there are here?
2. The other one is up.
Oh, see it laying up there on the
he's lazy.
platform? Wow, that's big. I didn't know they were this big.
The ocelots. Yeah.
Wow.
So that's their bed.
At home, I have a serval,
A what?
an African serval.
A serval.
Similar. It's similar. Not as big though.
African serval. Wow.
Yeah.
And is it a pet?
Pet. Yeah. Yep.
Exotic pet.
Yeah. I've had him for over 10 years.
Wow. But don't you have cats?
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Mhm.
so they
Fight.
live together.
Live together.
No problem.
Yeah. No problem. Yeah. They're very needy. They need a lot of it.
No way.
Yeah. I'll have to see if I can find a photo of him bigger.
Alright.
But yeah.
But they live in the wild.
Nice picture of him.
Hi, Shiba. She's lazy. Hi, Shiba. How are you? So now, guys, my hubby is taking a photo, so I go first here, and we saw a lot of turtles.
nice.
So nice. I like it.
Super cool.
Cool. Not hot.
It's a nice day too.
It's a nice day.
Yeah, no rain, no clouds. Very few clouds.
Beautiful day.
Because I'm complaining last week.
Yeah.
Every time you're off is not good day.
Super cool.
Okay, here
Oh.
I think we missed.
Have another
we
snake.
missed the Becker.
Okay.
Becker is the name given to
Boa
the
constrictor.
smallest. It's not the
Wow.
smallest, but it is one of the smallest
Wow.
boas. Yeah.
How big did the Beckers get?
4 meters.
4 meters. Wow.
Long
So
too.
still a pretty big snake. Wow, super cool.
The wind's so cool. The breeze.
This is awesome.
I love this kind of place, honey. Than in the city. Wow, the bamboo here is cool.
Big bamboo.
It's soft. Look, can touch it. In the Philippines, no more like this.
Oh, it's thorns.
Yeah. Look at the ducks there. They're enjoying swimming. Oh, have a fish, honey. Look.
Oh, koi.
Can you eat this one?
No, you wouldn't want to.
It's just pet. Oh.
Super cool. Look at the size of this one, honey.
That's a
Yeah.
pacu.
Paco.
Ah, can eat the
Oh,
pako.
yeah. They live from
Mama.
Amazon, right?
Mama eat that one.
She eats
Because
it?
No.
the pako guys can eat. In the Philippines, yeah. I don't know if it's the same. How about pako there that mama so hard to? It's
Wow.
hard the shell.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, look at that
I think
monkey.
they eat monkeys as well. Huh?
I don't know. I haven't heard that they eat a monkey. Oh my gosh, so cute.
That's a spider monkey.
Oh.
And he brought him. He was responsible at least
Yeah,
for
brought
that.
him here, saved
he
his
brought him
life.
here.
Wow.
So maybe he experienced depression.
Of course.
Ah,
Yeah, of course.
Poor Pancho.
It would be nice if he would have a pair. Right?
Yeah.
A couple,
girlfriend.
a girlfriend.
Maybe he get happy.
Look at that. He likes pictures.
Wow, so nice.
Nice
Ah,
one.
he
Hi,
likes-
Pancho.
Yeah. Hi, Pancho.
Hi, Pancho.
Benica.
Hola. Hola, Pancho. He's listening.
Yeah, he's smart.
Yeah.
Monkeys are
Yeah.
smart.
Of course. Very
Wow, so
intelligent.
cute.
Pancho.
Strong monkeys.
More snapping
Here we have
turtles?
exactly more snapping turtles, but they're full size.
Pancho, hi.
That's yeah.
Is this American crocodile? Yeah. Wow.
So they eat meat.
Oh yeah.
These crocodiles, both of them. There is the big one is a male, and the other one
Female.
here is a female, and both of them are one could say rescued animals.
Oh.
These are rescued animals. He was found hanging only by his hands. So
Really?
yeah, so there were people that tried to kill him like that,
Oh,
like
it's so sad.
starvation. And so when they found him, it was too late.
Wow.
And he lost his hands.
Ah, so-
So here, when he came, we had to
amputate.
amputate
Yeah.
both hands.
Poor guy.
That's why he's in the refuge.
Man, he's huge though. How big is he? Like maybe
So the other turtle, no more
2.5
hands.
meters?
Look
3
at
meters?
I would say
Cut.
3.5 meters.
Wow. And do you guys, when you feed them, do you spot train them to go to a spot and then feed them? Okay.
We enter, they go in with them. When gets inside the water.
Oh, okay.
So when the male is in, they try to cause him happy to make him tired. And then they start to throw at him a lot of food, a lot of chicken.
That's a token, guys.
White faisán. That's from Asia too. The white bird.
Hola. Hola. Hi. 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 Hi.
This, yeah.
So this is the lazy animals. Lazy. Slat.
This love ended up here because her mother was electrocuted.
Oh, really? Crossing the line? The power line? Yeah.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
Oh my god. So do you guys put the metal here so they can't climb?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Poor slut.
Wow, super cool. This is the first time I've seen one up close like this.
I want to see his face, what he's doing
face
like that.
is-
Yeah.
In Costa Rica, there are
Quite a
there
few.
are quite a few.
Yeah.
Just hoping to see it in the road.
Yeah.
The highway. But we can't.
Yeah, that's
Some in the highway, right? Just walking.
right. That's something common to see. Sometimes they even stop the traffic
Yeah.
because there is a sloth passing by.
And it's so slow.
Probably takes forever.
Very slow.
Super cool. I'm gonna take a picture from this side.
There, I think from here you can see the
See
face.
the face?
Oh, nice.
I got one kind
The
of on
face
this
is
other
up.
side.
So hard.
Yeah.
His face is up, honey, so hard.
Yeah, but from here you got him as well.
Yeah.
A little bit.
A bit.
Yeah. I'll take one from right here.
So I'll just take a selfie with the backpack of the slut, guys. So that's the slut. This is big.
That one is huge.
Yeah,
Maybe that one is
the main.
They can grow up to 8 meters.
8 meters.
long.
Wow, so long.
They're females. The males usually reach 5 meters at most.
Okay, wow.
So these should be bigger than that one, but she was a pet.
Oh, okay, I see.
Veronica.
Oh, very
Surname.
nice.
So Veronica was a pet, and that's why
You're the skin.
she didn't reach her full size.
I
Because
see.
her owner was not
Taking
giving
care of her.
food.
Yeah.
Wow.
Is this Parrot?
Yeah, these look like lovebirds or conures.
They can talk?
Do we have? No,
They cannot.
these can't. Those are parrots. We have parrots over there at the end.
Emerald toucan, the smallest toucan in the country. He's looking the camera.
Yeah, I got a good picture.
And this is Red. Red. His name is Red.
Oh, hi, Red.
And
Hi,
there
Red.
is a red-tailed hawk who got shot in his right wing, and that's
Oh,
why he's here, unable to fly anymore.
I see.
poor
We
Red.
feed him some chicken or some rats,
We
dead
have
rats. We
these
put.
in the U.S. In Arizona. Lots of red-tailed hawks. Super cool.
Red-tailed
these guys.
hawks. Arizona.
Yeah,
Arizona.
close to Mexico.
Yummy banana for monkey. Yummy banana for monkey.
It's your family member, honey.
No, I don't like banana. You're the one who loves to eat banana.
Yeah, it's fine. We're just missing stuff up here, so